My boss said my trade wasn't worth more than minimum wage. So I quit today to start my own repair business. Know your worth and don't settle for less than you deserve. Follow for satisfying music and instrument repair content. Love y'all, ask me for help if you need luminary advice. 7+ years in the field. This is my 1920s banjo, by the way. This will be my first restore on the page. Please like and follow, help me stick it to my boss, and continue doing what I love. Enjoy!